Hello my friends, it's Mujiba here. I'm going to start building some passive digital wealth building machines. They're going to be pies on trading 212. These will help me to reach my goal of creating a stocks and shares portfolio of £100,000. And each of these pies is going to have 10 shares in them. The first 5 shares will fuel the pie by providing a monthly income in the form of dividends, and the next 5 will be stocks that I'm building. These will be mainly growth stocks, and this first pie is going to be 0001, and it will concentrate on artificial intelligence stocks. So let me just go through the stocks that I will be putting into this pie. Okay, the first one I'm going to be using is Arma. Arma Residential REIT, and they pay out a monthly dividend, and the dividend rate is, current dividend rate, yield rate is 15.65%, and they pay out monthly. This is the yearly dividend rate, but this REIT, they pay out monthly. Okay, this is the first one. The second one I'm going to be using is AGNC Investment, and they also pay out monthly, and their dividend yield is 14.98%. I'm not really going into the details of the stocks that I'm holding. I'm just giving you an overview and showing you how I'm building this digital passive digital wealth building machine. Okay, the third stock that I'll be using is DX Dynex Capital, and they pay a dividend yield of 13.44%, and they're also a REIT and mortgage company. And the fourth one I'm going to use is DX Earn. Okay, it's called Ellington Credit, and they pay a dividend yield of 13.83%, and they're also a REIT. And the fifth one I'm going to use is EFC, Ellington Financial, and they have a dividend yield of 12.65%, and they're also a REIT. So these are the 5 monthly paying stocks or REITs that will be funding this passive digital wealth building machine. And the stocks that I will be building, the growth stocks, are Meta, They own like Facebook and WhatsApp and Messenger. So I think this is a real good growth stock, and I want to increase my holdings in this. So I'll use this passive digital wealth building machine to do this. They're currently paying a dividend yield of 0.24%, but all this will be reinvested back into this pie to purchase more shares. And the next AI stock that I will be increasing my shares in is Nvidia. So let me just type this in, Nvidia. And I still believe that this is going to grow further, this stock. So I want to increase my shares in Nvidia. And they have started, I think they've started paying a dividend. Let's see, let's go. Okay, 0.03% dividend yield. Okay, this is the second one I want to increase my shares in. Second stock. And the third one I'm going to be growing my stock in is Microsoft. And I believe Microsoft will continue to grow. And Microsoft pay a dividend yield of 0.69%. And the next holding that I want to grow is Google. Okay, Google Class A shares, Alphabet Class A shares. And they pay a dividend yield of 0.32%. And the next AI company that I want to increase my holdings in is AMD. And there is a lot of growth potential in this stock. And they don't pay any dividend. But I'm going to increase my holdings in this, as I believe that the stock price will go up significantly in the future. So I'm using the first 5 stocks and REITs to fund the building of my next 5 stocks in this pie. I'll be building Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, and AMD. So I'm going to get started with creating this pie. Okay, if I go into new pie, I'm going to build a custom pie and create on add instruments. And the first one I'm going to use are the first 5 are going to be REITs that will be funding the building of these stocks. First one is Armour Residential REIT. Sorry, add to pie. Okay, the next one is AGNC. AGNC investment. This one. And the third one is ticker symbol is DX. Dynex Capital. Okay. Is it not showing? DX. Okay, there it is. Dynex Capital. Okay. That's in the pie now. And the fourth one is Ellington Credit. And the ticker symbol is EARN. Ellington Credit. Okay, that's in the pie now. And the fifth one is Ellington Financial. Ticker symbol is EFC. Ellington Financial. And that's in the pie. Okay, and the next one is, these are the stocks that I want to increase my shares in. Meta. Meta Platforms. And the next one is Nvidia. The Nasdaq one. Okay. Nvidia. And the next stock is Microsoft. Microsoft. And the next one is Google. Alphabet. I want to buy Class A shares. Okay, Class A. What are these ones? Oh, these. Okay, the one for the Nasdaq one. Nasdaq listing, Class A. Okay, that's in the pie now. And the next one is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Nasdaq listing. Okay, I've built the pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, next I'm gonna not going to do manual investing, not auto invest. Next I'm going to give this pie a name, call it passive okay, give it a short name so I can find it easily. Passive Digital Wealth Builder, PDWB, and then give it a number. Call this is the first one I'm building, so I'm going to 0001 and then put in the sector that I'm building in, which is artificial intelligence. Artificial PE. Okay, it doesn't take the name, so I'm going to have to give it a shorter name. Let's call it AI. So the name is going to be PDWB0001AI. Passive Digital Wealth Builder 0001 AI. Then create this pie. Okay, self balancing, and I'm going to invest £100 into this. Go for 100. Next, and confirm. Okay, I'm just waiting for the Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange markets to open. Once they open, the investment will go into the pie. Click on OK. Okay, I've created the pie and I've set up the investments to go into there. And I'm going to continue building more pies to create passive digital wealth builders, to automate some of the portfolio building on Trading 212. Okay, as with all my videos, this is not investment advice, as I'm not a qualified financial advisor, and I'm doing this to create my own portfolio on Trading 212. I'm carrying out my own research and just passing on the tools and knowledge that I am using. Thank you for watching this video.